Hello, dear students. Good morning. Now, last period we saw the our lesson number 11 part 1. Now today we see the our lesson number 11 part 2, a bold plan. Okay. At last Shivaji decided to teach when the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj wait the 1 year, 2 years, but the Shahiste Khan could not left the Pune. After then, the Shivaji Maharaj made a bold plan. At last, the Shivaji Maharaj decided to teach Shaiste Khan a lesson. In a way, it was good that the Shaiste Khan was staying in Lal Mahal because of the Shivaji knew the place inside out with all its entrance and the exist, its secret passages, doors and windows. Besides, Shivaji's spies the were keeping him well informed about the dispositions of the Khan's troop. The Shivaji therefore decided to enter the Lal Mahal one night and kill the Shaiste Khan. The Shivaji Maharaj bold plan was the Shivaji Maharaj entered into the Lal Mahal in one night and kill the Shaiste Khan. This was the indeed a very bold plan. Lal Mahal was so well guarded that even an ant would find it the difficult to get through. 75,000 troops were campaigning outside the palace. No arms the Maratha was allowed to enter the town, but the Shivaji had made up his mind, and there was none who could turn him away from his resolve. Shivaji fixed Shivaji Maharaj fixed the date to carry out the plan. On the night of the 5th April 1663, a marriage procession was the passing along the streets of the Pune. There was music and fireworks accompanied the processions. The hundreds of people dressed in the fine cloth were in the processions. The some were in the planques, the others in the means, while the many more were on the foot. The Shivaji with his band of the trusted followers joins the processions to give the impressions that they were a part of it. After some time, the processions proceeded on its way, but the Shivaji and his men move away quietly in the directions of the Lal Mahal. Now the Shaiste Khan was fast asleep. At this hour, the Shaiste Khans learned a lesson. Now the Shivaji Maharaj entered into the Lal Mahal in one side. The Shivaji made a hole in the wall and entered Lal Mahal. He had no troubles in the finding his way about because it was after all his own house. शिवाजी महाराज को एंटर करने में कोई भी तकलीफ गई नहीं क्योंकि लाल महल ये उनका खुद का मकान था. ओके. द खान्स बॉडीगार्ड्स वेयर हाफ asleep. The Shivaji's follower tied them up. Shivaji went deeper inside. Suddenly someone rushed at him with a sword. Shivaji killed him. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj thought it was the Shaiste Khan, but it was his son. It was the Shaiste Khan's son. There was a commotions. People woke up. People woke up. Shivaji went straight to the Khan's chamber and took out his sword. Terrified, the Khan started shouting, "The devil, the devil, devil," and tries to escape through the windows. The Shivaji struck him with the sword, which cut off the three fingers of the Khan. The Khan could have lost his life, but he escapes with the loss of the three fingers only. The Khan jumps out of the windows and made for the safety. To disuse the Khan's troops, the Shivaji and his men raised the cry, "The Shivaji has attacked! Run, catch him!" and they started to run themselves. The Khan's troop also started running in all directions. In the confusion that followed, the Shivaji and his men made their escapes and reached the Sihagarh. The Khan's troops spent whole night looking the vains for the Shivaji and his troop. These incidents took the fight out of the Shaiste Khan. He was afraid that if he lost only his fingers in the first attack, the Shivaji might cut his head off in the second chance. Okay, Aurangzeb was the furious when he heard of this episode. Shaiste Khan lost the emperor's favor and was transferred to Bengal. This was the first serious blow to the Mughal power. The Shivaji had successfully bred the lions in his own den. Now the gunfire announced the victories and the waves of the joy went all over महाराष्ट्र. और इस तरह शिवाजी महाराज ने शाइस्ते खान का काटा उन्हीं के लाल महल में जाके, जहाँ पर पुणे में जो शिवाजी महाराज का रेसिडेंस था उसको हेडक्वार्टर बनाया था शाइस्ते खान ने, और वही उसी लाल महल में घुस के शिवाजी महाराज ने शाइस्ते खान की गर्दन काटने की कोशिश की, जिसमें शाइस्ते खान तो बच गया मगर उसकी 3 उंगलियां कट गई। और वो इतना डर गया कि भाई पहले चांस में तो मेरी सिर्फ 3 उंगलियां गई, अगर शिवाजी को सेकंड चांस मिलता है, छत्रपति को अगर सेकंड चांस मिलता है तो मेरी वो सरी काट देगी। और वो इतना डर गया कि शिवाजी महाराज के नाम से भी वो डरने लग गए। और इसका इफ़ेक्ट ये हुआ, औरंगजेब बहुत गुस्सा हुआ और उसने क्या किया, शाइस्ते खान की ट्रांसफ़र सीधी बंगाल में कर दी। ओके, ठीक है। इस तरह हमारा लेसन आज फिनिश होता है, लेसन नंबर 11 पार्ट 2 के साथ में। अब हम नेक्स्ट जो पार्ट देखेंगे वो हमारी एक्सरसाइज होगी। ठीक है। हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बाय एंड सी यू अगेन।